This decentralized peer-to-peer network has a ton of upside and a node that has over 150% APY. Let's hop straight into it. Alright, so this project we'll be taking a look at today is called Streamr, and looking at the chart for the Streamr network, you can see in the last month it had a huge run up here to about 12.5 cents. Recently bottomed out at about 6.5, so almost a 2x there. Looking at the all-time chart, you can see this one as high as 34 cents back in 2018. Yes, this project has been around for almost 5 years. It has not been doing much, but over the past year or so, it has had a couple run-ups, so you could have made out big here if you bought in at 1 cent. This project gives me some Flux vibes. So taking a look at the website here, you can see the nodes. There's about 3,100 being run right now and 150% APY. This was actually like 215 just like a week ago, but because there's more nodes, the APY did go down a little bit. But you can see right here, just off the bat, this project has some buzzwords, but the scalable Web3 protocol with powerful tools for monetization. If you're someone who builds projects or is looking to do some cool stuff, this might be a project you want to look into. Talks about the tech stack. Streamr just has a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of good technology behind it. So build with Streamr stack. So start building. You can do whatever you want to do there, but what I care about is the passive income part, and that's the node. So let's show a couple projects that have been built on Streamr. So we got Pave Motors, Swash, Tracy, and that's about it. So in the Streamr ecosystem page here, it shows they've collaborated with a number of organizations, and right away the enterprises right here, we got Bosch, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. There's some big names, centralized US companies, institutions, and DAOs, and then built on Streamr we got Kraken. Was built on here. I did not know that, so that's pretty awesome to see. So on the marketplace here, you can buy, sell, and discover data streams. There's a lot of data that they're selling. So for example, they got like New York population flows, New York subways in real time. So this is some interesting Web3 stuff they got going on right here. You can sell data as well. Now here is an article that goes over how to actually install the node and everything. I'm not going to be going through that today, but I may do this in the future because I definitely like this project and I may end up running a node. So it goes over the roadmap here, and it starts all the way in 2017. It goes to 2018, and of course works its way up to 2022. The data tokenomics deployed, and miners can earn data by running a broker node. They do have some audits here, and then like the network white paper. On Twitter, they do have about 73,000 followers. Since they've been around for so long, I wouldn't assume anything less. Okay engagement, nothing too spectacular, especially for the amount of followers they have, but this project seems to be very big in Europe and not so much like in the US. They do a fair amount of updates on their Twitter, going over some of the main nets and like their test nets and all that kind of stuff. You can see that somebody did a video here on how to actually do this. You get 250% APY, and that was literally just like a week ago, so that APY has decreased. But I think this is definitely a sustainable project. I don't think it's going to go anywhere anytime soon. And honestly, we could see some insane growth on the chart too. I mean, with these nodes and people get into it and more and more people start to build on it, we could see a pretty solid run up for this project. I don't think it's going to go top 100, but we could definitely see something decent. Might just be one you want to invest into as well. Of course, not financial advice. With that said, this was a quick video on a great potential 10x project with some great passive income on it. If you want to see another source of crypto passive income, watch this video next right over here.